Today we are diving into a critical geopolitical issue that could impact global markets: the threat of Iran closing the Strait of Hormuz amid its conflict with Israel. So let's break it down. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway between Iran and Oman, handling about 20 to 30% of the world's oil. Recent tensions with Israel have led Iran to threaten closure, but is this likely? And what would happen if it did? Historically, during the Iran-Iraq War in the 1980s, the Strait saw disruptions but never a full closure. Oil prices spiked and the global economy felt the strain. And fast forward to today, and the situation is different but equally tense. Due to the recent conflict, oil prices have already skyrocketed, with Brent crude surging above $80 per barrel as markets react to the heightened risks. This spike reflects fears of supply disruptions, even if a full closure doesn't occur, and it's putting pressure on global energy markets, driving up costs for consumers and businesses alike. Experts believe a full closure is unlikely. Why? Well, because Iran's economy depends on the strait. About 90% of its oil exports, which are crucial for its revenue, pass through the strait. So closing it would be economically self-destructive. Also, additionally, international naval forces like the US Fifth Fleet are stationed nearby, ready to protect shipping lanes, and much of the strait lies in Omani waters, making a unilateral closure by Iran practically impossible without severe backlash. But what if there are partial disruptions? All shipping would face delays and higher costs due to rerouting. Also, insurance premiums would skyrocket and all futures could spike, potentially pushing prices above $100 to $150 per barrel in the short term. So this would raise global prices across sectors: transportation, manufacturing, and energy, leading to inflation. So in the long term, sustained disruptions could double oil prices, triggering a global economic slowdown and even recession, especially for oil importing countries like China and Japan. So while the threat is real, the likelihood of a full closure remains very low. Historical precedents show that even partial disruptions can have significant impacts, but Iran's economic dependence on the strait makes such an extreme action very unlikely. And also, diplomacy will be key to de-escalating this situation. For now, the world watches very closely, hoping for stability in this vital checkpoint. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates on the global economics and geopolitics.